Hey guys, Beatsfine here. This is episode 1 on how to code a Java Discord API bot. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a bot application, how to add the bot to your server, and how to start the actual bot up. In this video, I'll be using IntelliJ, made by JetBrains. You could use your own coding program of your choice, but I'm going to stick to this for its simplicity, and it's been a common one that I've used for most of my videos now. And I'll also be using Maven to add in the dependencies. You could go and just use a .jar file, but for its simplicity, I'll be using Maven. So what we're going to do is we're going to go onto File, Project Structure, then we're going to click on Modules. Now, if this is a new area, you wouldn't see like this extra one right here. But what we're going to do is we're going to click Add, New Module, Maven. Then we're going to select the module SDK. In this video, I'll be using SDK 18. You could use 1.8. It works just the same, but for this video, I'll be using 18. And now we don't have a parent, so that's perfect. And then for the name, what we can do is we're just going to do JDA dash tutorial. I don't think spaces work, but yeah, I'll just be using JDA dash tutorial. Now it's gonna get created. We can click OK. It'll then build it right here, and yeah, we now have all of this, and then we have our own pom.xml. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in a new category. It's going to be dependencies, since IntelliJ is just way better like coding program or IDE. With it just tells you right away on what you can do with it. But yeah, you just need to do like dependencies in this one, then slash dependencies on the last one. And now to add it in, we're going to need to do dependencies. Okay, it auto-filled with the group ID and artifact ID. That's nice. So for the group ID, it will be net dot, and it already has it for me. I don't know how to pronounce that one, but yeah. Then there is the artifact ID, which it would be JDA. Then it's gonna ask for a version. The latest version that's out is 5.0.0-alpha.17 by, well, by the time I'm recording this. And so it'll be the version I'm using. You could go back some, you could go forward some, but this is just my preference. So let's just click this reload right here, so then it'll sync up our Maven project. There we go. And no errors, which means that this is all worked just fine. So what we can now do is go into our main area, Java, right click it, New, Java class, and then we can call this main. Now inside of our main class, we're going to need the main method, which would just be public static void main string brackets args. And now inside of here, well actually, let's just do outside of here real quick. So let's add a public static string, and then we're gonna just have token. We're then also gonna do a public static JDA for Java Discord API, and then JDA. And now in this main class, what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign our bot a token for now. It'll be blank since we haven't created a bot. And I'm going to call a start bot function. You don't have to. I'm just doing this so then it will just make it a little bit more organized. So now what we can do is we can do a private static void start bot. Now, static allows other files to see it. So if I create another Java, like Java class, they can like if they just call for this main.java class, they can then see like this main one as well. But since this is private static, it won't see this one inside of it. But inside of here, we're gonna do a try and catch. To try, and then we can do a catch. Now we're gonna do login exception, and then we're gonna call e. Then we're gonna just do e dot print stack trace. We're gonna get a error for now since there's nothing thrown in the try block. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna do JDA is equals to JDA builder dot create default, and now we're gonna do token. Now you could end it off here. Sorry, you also have to do dot build. So if you do this right here, I'll just create it with just the token. But I'm gonna go and add in every single intent as well. So what you can do is you can do dot enable intent, then you can do a enum set dot all of, and now it's gonna ask us for a class. So well, a class that's for gateway intent. And so what we can do is gateway intent dot class. And so now this is going to allow us to use JDA for our actual bot, and it will go and create it and build it. And so if we start it, it'll then just do its magic, but we need a token to it. So the way you can create a token is by going over to the Discord developer portal, which it's just discord.com/developers/applications. And then you go to just the applications, new application, and then there's just that. So what you can do is, I'm just going to name it tutorial bot. It will just be TB. You don't need to do much around here, but you go to bot, and there's a build a bot. You can click add bot, yes, do it, and a wild bot has appeared. First thing we're going to do is we're going to allow some of the intents to present intent, and so this will get, I forget exactly what it'll get. We can just check right here. So the current state on the guild, so name, avatar, and things like that. Okay. Their activity. Okay. So present intent, server members intent. So for the bot to get info about the server members, and then message content intent, which will get message content, which we'll be using later on. Note that you would need to you need to switch to slash commands later on if your bot reaches 100 or more, just so then it can be trusted and verified. So now right here you'd see token, and then a new feature they've done is they've just blocked out the token. And so you need to reset tokens, then see the new token. So let's just reset it. I actually need two-factor authentication. Let me just get that. So 483-286. There we go. So now this is the entire bot token. So if we just copy that, place it in there, and now our bot will start up when we use that token. So what we can do now is we go to OAuth 2, URL generator, click on bot, administrator. Administrator will just give all permissions. You can select like whichever ones, but I'm just doing all. Let's copy it, paste it in, and now it's gonna go and ask you to add it in. For the video sake, I'm gonna just select it through my other screen. There we go. Just so that you guys don't get to see exactly like everything that's happening. And so yeah, so let's just do continue, administrator, and then it's gonna do a CAPTCHA for you, so motor bus. So let's just click all those, verify. For some reason it said please try again, but then worked, so kinda odd. But if I bring Discord up on my other screen right here, you can see it's currently offline. So if you're wondering on how you can turn it online, we can go right into here, then we can go to run, then we can click this run right here, edit configurations. Now I'm gonna delete that one, but you click add application module. We're gonna set to 18 or whatever one you did. Dash CP no module. We're gonna change that to JDA dash tutorial. Then our main class. Let's click there, project, and then head to our directory for it. And now you can click apply. Then you can click run. So it'll now start building everything. And now it'll try running. So it's gonna send two of those, like static MDC binder. Pretty sure it's because we don't have any sort of audio like operation set up, so yeah. But as you can see, it says login successful, WebSocket client connected to WebSocket, and then JDA finish loading. So if I now open that, we'll see that the bot is working. So let's create a like example of doing a ping command, because that should be something we should do. Okay, so let's just go right into here. Now we can do at override. Now we can do public void. Now the names, if I recall, are like needed. You can't do it without them unless like you use a proper command handler, if I recall. But yeah. So for this case, let's just do on message received. And then we're gonna do a message received event. Then we're going to just call events. Now, let's see why this add override isn't working. Oh, that's why. I spelled received wrong. Oh, but it's still. Okay, let's just refactor it. Different name expected. Um. Oh, I know why. So right inside of here, we need to extend listener adapter. There we go. And let's also do this. So in the same start bot area, we can do JDA dot add event listener, then this. Make main not static. Okay, okay, I guess main dot class. Yeah, that'll work. And so let's just do some checks now. So let's just do a if event dot get author dot is bot. So if it's a bot, then let's return it. Now we can do a if events dot get message dot start. Oh no, get content raw dot starts with. Then we can do a prefix plus then whatever. So let's create our own prefix as well. So public static string prefix. Now we could just set a variable to that. I'm gonna do the and symbol in this case. So all this is doing is it's like getting the event, it's getting the message, it's getting the contents on its raw data. Then it's gonna check if it starts with, and then the prefix plus, and then I'll just do ping. And now what we can do is we could do event dot get channel dot send message, and now we could do pong. Another thing you could do is you could do events dot um, get message dot reply, and then you could also do pong. And yeah, so once we do that, we can just click the rerun, or we can stop it, then rerun again. But I'll just do rerun. Oh, listener must implement event listener. Main 24. It's main.class. Okay, here, let's just do a new Java class. Actually, okay. Let's create a new package first. Name it events. And then let's just do message received. And then in here we'll just take this right there, put it right inside of here, and then let's just do a extends listener adapter. Oh Jesus, listener adapter. There we go. And then for this prefix, we'll just do main.prefix. Import our main class with what can we use? It's none of these are the one that I wanted. Okay, what we could do is just go right there, paste that in, then do prefix plus that. Easiest solution, to be fair. And now instead of it doing main.class, we could do like new message received. There we go. And so now if we start this, and now if we just do like hi, it won't detect anything. But if we do and ping, it still didn't do anything. Sorry, not build artifacts. Okay, let's just stop the bot, start back up again. Still nothing. Let's just do equals ignore case and then that, see if that'll do anything. Oh, wait. I forgot we need to add in doc Q at the end as well. No wonder it wasn't sending an error. We forgot to doc Q it in. That is my bad. So now if we do and thing, it'll say Pong in both ones. Yeah, I forgot we need to doc Q it in, which I totally forgot about. And so yeah, all this does is if the author is not a bot, well, if the author is a bot, it'll return. If it's not a bot, it'll then check if the message is equals to the prefix plus ping. If it is, then it'll send the message, Pong, and then it'll reply to it saying Pong as well, which is why you can see this reply right here, and then that normal one. Now, I just want to quickly try fixing this prefix issue. Is equals to because I don't really understand on why this isn't wanting to cooperate. Default package, there we go. So yeah, now that'll just do it. So if I now change that, refactor it, um, so it's just like a, oh, not that one. Yeah, for some reason this just doesn't want to work on how it is. Here, let me just me dot PizzaLover dot JDA or something like that, and then we can refactor that in, and then yeah, go into message received, import class. There we go, me.pizzalover.jda.main. Just forgot to add in that package right there. And now we can do like rerun, make sure that it all works just fine. And yeah, there we go. It'll work perfectly. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.